Make a great choice today with the 2022 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, wireless charging station, audio radio, touch screen display. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.